Let's pull another set out of the box. Ooh, good one. Come on. Something just slid off and I don't know what it was. Oh boy. Well, I just put everything together. It wasn't too hard. I'm pretty sure it was just a spare black arm. So not too big of a deal. Especially if it was just spare. Very nice. Let's grab another one. This one looks interesting. Some kind of ATST maybe? Oh yeah, with bays. Okay, cool. No more dropping stuff. I really like the feeling of scale on this one. It's gonna take a little more effort to figure out what goes where. Okay, we are plugging along here. Let's grab this one. That looks fun. You know, I typically just ignore these. Interesting, there's like no speech bubbles. It's all visual. Okay, I think I will continue to ignore these in the future. This looks like it should be pretty straightforward, just... Uh-oh. Did it... I don't see anything wrong with it. Just eyeballing stuff. Not sure what's going on here. But this should be... That should just slap right back on. And I'm not sure where these go. There they are. So I'll just slap them onto here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, we are missing one of those dark red slopes. I'm going to check down here first. This is why we have this. Although the likelihood of me having a dark red is probably not that high. Oh. Hello. There we go. Easy. Look at this little guy right here. That's awesome. We got... What's his name? Yandu? I kind of stopped watching Marvel for a while. Although Guardians of the Galaxy has been one of my favorites. In fact... When the first Guardians of the Galaxy came out, my thought at the end of the movie was, it's a shame it's gonna have to mix with all of the other Marvel movies because it was just so good on its own. But what are you gonna do? I don't run movies. So just looking up sold comps, apparently most of the value is in this figure right here. People are spending 30 to 40 bucks just for the figure. But we're gonna sell the whole thing because that's what we're gonna do. Can't believe we've only done 3 sets. Let's do a city set just because it's kind of piling up now. That looks fun. Oh, it's another Guardian set, or a Star Wars set. Yeah, let's do this one. 60158. Okay, we gotta get this helicopter all set up. Looks like mostly still assembled. I can just pop stuff back on. Yep, it takes up the whole thing. And last one. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, and then I'll just flip through the instruction manual real quick, make sure nothing's missing. Oh, like I can tell the that needs to go right there. Yeah, we look good. Should we do another one? Let's do another one. Do another city one. That looks interesting. Let's do this one. Okay. The entire semi is missing. Maybe it just got put in a different bag? Yep, got it. Right there. False alarm, people. We aren't quite out of the woods yet. Missing that thing right there. One of those orange knobs. Roy G. Biv. Okay, there we go. I don't know if I have any right now. I probably have some in my Bricklink store, so I'll just look that up real quick. Whew, those oranges looking a little sparse. So I was able to construct most of one from spare parts, but I don't have this one lying around. So I gotta decide what I want to do here. I just looked through here thinking maybe it's here somewhere, but no. Thinking just falling out of the bag, but I don't see it anywhere. Shoot. Well, it's not a very expensive set, so I don't want to agonize over it. So I think I just need to sell it as is and move on, is what I'm leaning towards. Well, I don't want that to be the last one we pick out today. So, where's a small one? Can I get a small one? Oh, here's some random parts. Ah, not so lucky. Thought it might be in there. What's this? Hey, that looks fun. Let's do that one. A little bit of damage on Spider-Man's eye, looks like. And we're missing... Are we missing a flame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, no, it's all there. I didn't see that one right there. I thought we were missing one. So yeah, other than that little bit of damage right there. Actually, let me just make sure it doesn't just rub off. Yeah, it's a paint chip. Okay, we are looking good. Had a couple fun sales we can go ahead and take care of real quick. Somebody bought the Cobra statue. This came out of the same bin that I pulled the Black Pearl out of last year. So it's nice that we just keep on, finding more and more value in this stuff. Okay, that should be all of it. Just gonna brush it off real quick. Got a little dusty sitting up there. And somebody grab. Things just become a running gag. Somebody grabbed the sand speeder. I'm gonna throw that thing out the window. Cool. So I'll get that all packed up, figure out what it is, and we'll update our list here. I had made my own James and the Giant Peach little mock thing. I should fix that. There we go. I should make an actual minifigure scale one. I think that'd be more impressive, but I like the mini scale. Here's my mini scale Iron Giant. I wonder how big the Peach would have to be. Probably the size of a basketball, right? If that Peach needed to be minifigure scale. That's pretty nuts. And then how would you I guess you could get a Jiminy Cricket. You could get some of those double stack Ninjago figures for the Centipede. That might be kind of cool. I'm gonna have to think about that one. Sand Speeder, total after fees and shipping, $33.85. $1,790.43 to go. And we just had a Bricklink order come in, so let's just go ahead and throw that on this video too. All in tray 1, easy. 1A, 1G, and 1C. 1A. Excellent. 1G. We're looking for the... There we go. 1C. We're looking for the... I love this thing. And it looks like that comes out to $12.88 total, so it'll be about $8 after I pay all my fees and shipping. Thank y'all for watching. That was a good time. I'm excited to go through more of this. This is obviously going to be a couple more videos where I do something like this, because I got this box and this box. If you want to watch the video where all this stuff, including this, was purchased, check out this one, and I'll catch y'all next time.